Create photorealistic visualizations without rendering, without complicated lighting or material settings. All you need is a screenshot from SketchUp, 3ds Max or Blender, or even a pencil sketch, mood board or watercolor. FLUX Kontext transforms any of these materials into a finished, realistic visualization based on instructions written in natural language. It's an artificial intelligence model that understands context. This enables what was previously practically impossible: consistent, repeatable shots. It introduces changes without disrupting the composition. It preserves geometry, style, and color palette even after multiple revisions. It works like a rendering engine, but without all the technical overhead. It does the heavy lifting so you can focus on designing. My name is Piotr Kurpiowski. I run the design studio Nuance, and I'm a lecturer at the Polish-Japanese Academy of Information Technology in Warsaw. For years, I have been teaching designers how to use modern tools wisely. In this course, I will show you how to consciously harness the potential of FLUX Kontext in architecture, design, and beyond. The model works both online and offline, on Mac and Windows, and even on a regular office laptop. If you have a more powerful computer, you can use it completely for free. To make getting started as easy as possible, I'll show you two interfaces: Playground, intuitive and fast, perfect for beginners, and Comfy, an advanced tool for modern designers that offers full customization and automation. In addition to nearly 40 lessons packed with knowledge, you'll get ready-made prompts, the best workflows, and examples from me that you can use right away, whether you design interiors, architecture, furniture, or simply want to present your ideas in an attractive way. Join the course if you want to work faster, visualize more effectively, and design without limits. I hope to hear from you soon.